Hello everyone, I'm Andika Novian Ramadan with MPM 22316061. In this occasion, I will explain the data collection technique. The definition: data collection is a systematic process in collection information for research or development purpose. This process is like putting together a puzzle, where each data collection is an important piece of information that will form a complete picture of the research object. Data quality greatly determines the reliability of research results. So accurate, complete, and relevant data will produce reliable research. The selection of the right data collection technique is the key to success, because each research has different characteristics and needs, both in terms of the information, so the characteristic of the respondent and the availability of research. For example, in researching student learning habit, a combination of techniques such as questionnaires, classroom observation, and teacher interview can be used to obtain comprehensive and quality data. Type of data collection technique of observation. Observation is a data collection technique through direct observation of the research object systematically. This technique produces objective and natural data because it observes phenomena in an actual setting, such as observing student behavior in the classroom. For effective observation, researchers need to prepare observation sheets, determine the aspect of surface, record the important event, and maintain objectivity by not interfering in the activities being observed. Interviews are a method of collection data through direct correction and answer to get in-depth information. There are three types: structure, using fixed question; semi-structure, a combination of fixed and flexible question; and unstructured, free and spontaneous. Important tips include creating comfort, active listening, and preparing relevant questions. Documentation is a technique of collecting data through existing documents, such as photographs, videos, archives, or reports. They provide historical or factual information. Document validation is essential to ensure the accurate and authenticity of the research, so that the data used can be trusted and support the result of the research. Tips for choosing the right technique adapt to research objective. Choose a technique that supports your research objective. If in-depth data is required, interviews are suitable, while surveys are more appropriate for a wide range. The right choice of technique helps to obtain relevant data according to the focus of the study. Consider the characteristic of respondent. Tailor the technique to the characteristic of the respondent, such as age or education level. Techniques that are appropriate to the background of the respondent will improve the quality and accuracy of the data collect. Accurate time and cost. Make sure the technique chosen is within your budget and research schedule. More complex technique may require more time and cost. So choose an efficient one to keep the research running smoothly. Combine multiple techniques for optimal research. Combining techniques such as interview and survey allow data collection for different angles. This approach results in more comprehensive data, enrich the analysis, and increase the validity of the results. Common mistake to avoid: bias in data collection. Bias occurs when research to research have preference or prejudice the affect the data that affect the data collection process, such as only selection respondents who support their view. To avoid bias, make sure that each respondent or data is treated objectively and free from personal assumption, so that the results of study are more accurate and unrepresentative sample. This error occurs when the research sample does not reflect the overall characteristic of the population. For example, involving only one age group for a study that is supposed to include various groups. In order for the result to be generalized, make sure that the sample taken truly reflect the intent population. Pointing question that contain implicit answer, such as "Do you agree this is the best solution?" can encourage respondent to answer as the research expect, rather than their actual opinion. Try to ask questions that are neutral and open, so that the answer obtained are completely pure from the respondent. Incomplete documentation, inaccurate documentation, or missing detail can obscure the collect data, making it difficult to realize or verify. Ensure that all data is recorded completely, structured, and easily accessible, so that the result of the research can be trusted and referenced in the future. In conclusion, data collection is a crucial step in research that must be carried out systematically and carefully to produce accurate and relevant information. The selection of the right data collection technique, such as observation, interview, and documentation, greatly affect the quality of the data obtained. Each technique has advantage and disadvantage that need to be adjusted to the research objective, respondent characteristic, and research ability. In addition, it is important to maintain the objectivity and validity of the data, so that research results can be trusted and make a significant contribution. With the right approach, research will produce reliable data and support valid conclusion. So that's video from me. I end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.